We are going to see what is the use of action polar in Salesforce. So action polar does partial page refreshment based on time interval. So the time sends an Ajax update request to the server according to a time interval that we specified. Okay, so today we'll see how we use action polar in Salesforce. So apex slash action polar example. Okay, so action polar. So here I'll remove the header and sidebar. So I'll do show header as false. So if we do show header as false, the the sidebar as well as the header is removed. Then apex colon page block. Okay, and I'll give the title as action polar. Okay, so I'll use a controller. I'll give the name as action polar controller. Okay, so it's asking for with sharing and without sharing. So if we want to share the members like of the class, we can use with sharing, and if we don't want to share, then it's direct. So here what I'm going to use is like generally what we are doing here. So in action polar I'll give a number and it will keep on incrementing automatically, okay, in a particular interval of time. So let's see how to do that. So here I'll give this is paragraph slash b. Okay, so here I'll take public integer counter or anything, any variable, and get set. If you want to show this in the Visualforce page, then get set. Then I'll use the constructor. Constructor should be same as the class name. Okay, and here I'll give counter. I'll give the values counter is equal to 1. So what is the use of constructor? Constructor is the first which always gets called. Okay, so we can see that how is like whatever is present in the constructor I can use it. See, I have taken counter here, counter variable. So whatever is present in this counter variable, it will get stored here, and then when I save it, you can see this got called. So see, this is not a method or anything, this is just a constructor. So for a method it needs to be called, but this is a constructor, we are not calling it. Just I have used this variable, this is a global variable, and this variable is, I have just used it here, and it's getting called automatically because it's placed in the constructor, and constructor is the one which gets called the first. Okay, so public void method 1. What I want is the value 1 should keep on incrementing automatically. So for incrementing the value, I'll give counter plus plus. If I give counter plus plus, it will keep on incrementing the value automatically. Okay, so for calling this, I'll use action polar. Apex colon action polar action. What is the action it should perform? I want it to call what? The method 1. Method 1 will be called. At what time? In every interval 5 it should be called. So whenever we are giving any input component, we have to put it in form tags. Apex column form. Okay, so I have put it in form tags. Error disappeared now, so everything looks fine here. Now this is the paragraph counter. Counter is taking the value from here, from the constructor. Now I want it to increment it. So at every interval 5 it will call the method 1, and method 1 what value it has? If method 1 will get called, it will increment it here. So I'll use re-render. I'll give the ID in this page block. ID is anything, test. Let me save it, and let's see it's working or not. See, it's working. So what's happening here, I'll explain you clearly. So this counter is having the value of 1 currently. Okay, so when action puller, what it is doing is it's calling the method 1. So right now it contains what? 1. Now it will go and call method 1. Like now it's method 1. Now what method 1 will do? Here counter plus plus, the 1 value will become 2. Now 2 it is. Okay, so every interval of 5 it will go and update it as 2. Okay, how it will update? It is re-rendering test, and this page block contains the ID test. Now it is 2. Okay, then now it is 2. At third time what it will do? Again action polar will go to the method 1. It will call method 1. Now it is 2 plus 1. It's 3. Now the value is 3. So it will be updated as 3 over there. Then it keeps on circling this way. Okay, We can do counter minus minus also. Then we'll see what happens. You can see it's reverse. So this video was about action polar, and if you want to learn more about action region, action function, and lot about Salesforce, please subscribe to this channel and please like this video. Okay, and I hope you like this video. So have a nice day. Take care.